Hi, my name is Bobby. I'm from Hettich. Today I want to discuss with you WingLine folding door solution by Hettich. I have an appliance cupboard here on display. It's got a 600 wide opening, which would mean that I would have a 600 wide door. 600 wide will be in my way. The solution will be to fold the door. I fold my door into two 300 wide panels. I have access from the center and from the right, and I can get what I need easily and have my door folded to the side. The door is available as a push to move or a pull to move. WingLine L. Over here, I have a WingLine 230 where there's a door that requires a larger load capacity. For example, 600 wide, 2.4 meters high, and quite a heavy door, and I require no bottom guide. The solution is WingLine 230. Perfect for those large heavy doors, perfect for those wide areas, can handle up to 25 kilos each panel. Very smooth. WingLine 230. If you require any more information, please come to the Build and Design Center where we have our products on display, or talk to your interior designer or architect, or contact us at Hettich and we'll be more than happy to help you.